Hi guys, สวัสดีค่ะ I just got some butterfly pea flower from the garden at the hostel I work. So I decided to make some pasta dough with the butterfly pea flower in it. So let's see how it's gonna work. First, mix the flowers and the egg together and start kneading to form the dough. For me, it took me around 5 minutes. Now it's time for roasting the dough by wrapping and roasting for 30 minutes at least. Then I'm gonna roll the pasta dough through the machine. Before we rolling the dough, we have to flatten the dough to fit into the machine. And don't forget to sprinkle some double O pasta flour to prevent it from stick to the machine or from the sheet. Start rolling with the biggest roller number. Then fold the rolled pasta dough into a rectangle shape and roll to the same number for 3 times. Then I'm gonna roll the pasta dough until the finest number of the roller. Twice roll for each number. Then I will roll the pasta dough that filled with the butterfly pea flour around 3 times. Some people say I can blow the pasta dough if it's ready. So let's try. Now it's time for cutting. You can cut in any shape you like. After the cutting, roast the pasta around 20 minutes before you keep it or cook it. I hope you guys enjoy making butterfly pea flour pasta with me. For now, bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ